Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all. Today I would like to presentation about my thesis. The title of The Effect of Product, Education, and Sales Media on E-commerce Business in Indonesia. First of all, my name is Haji Prawito. I'm from Economic Education, State University of Jakarta. Research background. The new era of globalization increases the contribution of the digital aspect to the economy, one of which is the presence of e-commerce. Results based on a statistical survey in 2021, it shows that all of business that are being conduct data collection. Only 50.8% are e-commerce business. This shows that business conduct via the internet in Indonesia is still relatively low. Business in Indonesia is still dominated by conventional types of business. Of the 84.92% of business that don't conduct e-commerce transaction, the reason business don't conduct e-commerce is because it is more convenient to sell directly, which is 70.89%. Even though Indonesia is a strategic market share for transitioning conventional business into e-commerce business because 1. Demographic condition and high consumer consumptive behavior based on Kominfo 2021. 2. Indonesia is the fourth largest internet user in the world based on Statista 2022. 3. Can expand market share and make company operation more efficient based on Financial Education and Training Agency 2019. The Nielsen Global Survey of E-commerce conduct research on the shift in shopping behavior of the digital generation, especially the millennial generation in 60 countries in Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin and North America, and the Middle East. The study found that the digital generation like things that are done instantly, one of which is the selection of product to meet their daily needs, based on Kominfo 2016. In addition, in increasing e-commerce business, sales media have an important role. The selection of sales media must be really right so that the product or service offered can win the hearts of buyers so they decide to make transaction. The level of education is an important factor in a business. With the higher level of education obtained, people will tend to be more rational in observing every incident. Education aims to improve the skill and knowledge of the community so that it can improve the ability of the community in economic development. Education not only adds knowledge but also improve work skills so that it will affect the success of the business. In this case, the e-commerce business. Research question. Number 1. Is there any effect of product and e-commerce business in Indonesia? Number 2. Is there any effect of education on e-commerce business in Indonesia? Number 3. Is there any effect of sales media on e-commerce business in Indonesia? Research purpose. Number 1. To determine the effect of product on e-commerce business in Indonesia. Number 2. To determine the effect of education on e-commerce business in Indonesia. Number 3. To determine the effects of sales media on e-commerce business in Indonesia. Research benefit. Number 1. Theoretically, The result of this study can increase knowledge and become an answer to gap in previous research. Number 2, practically, the result of this study are expected to be considered by business actors to transition their business into an e-commerce business and become a consideration for the government to implement regulation that make it easier for business actors to transition their business into an e-commerce business. Theoretical framework. 1. Effect product on e-commerce business. Kotler, in marketing mix theory, explained that the product is one element in a business success strategy. Types of product that match market needs will increase demand for this product so that sales increase and business success is achieved. 2. Effect education on e-commerce business. Education is a prerequisite for success in a business. This is in accordance with Hisrich's 20,000 This is in accordance with Hisrich's 2008 theory that the factor that influence a business to achieve its success, one of which is the level of education. The level of education describes the ability, knowledge, and expertise of an entrepreneur in running his business. 3. Effect sales media on e-commerce business. According to the theory proposed by Kotler and Armstrong, 2008, the main factor that influence purchasing decisions made by consumers are ease of use and consumer trust. Based on the strategy marketing mix theory that was coined by Jerome McCarthy 1998, one of the concepts that can increase the success of business is the place distribution channel chosen by business actors to offer their product, so that the sales media have an influence in increasing e-commerce business. Based on the elaboration of the conceptual description, Based on the elaboration of the conceptual description and theoretical framework above, the hypothesis in this study can be formulated as follows. Hypothesis 1. Product have a significant effect on e-commerce business. Hypothesis 2. Education has a significant effect on e-commerce business. Hypothesis 3. Sales media has a significant effect on human development. And hypothesis 3. Sales media has a significant effect on e-commerce business. So, based on my hypothesis and theoretical framework, I use panel data regression to data analysis technique. First, estimation of panel data regression. Choke test to test common effect model and fixed effect model. Hausman test to test random effect model and fixed effect model. And Lagrange multiplier test to test common effect model and random effect model. Second, assumption closure. They are normality test, multicollinearity test, and heteroscedasticity test. And last, hypothesis test. They are t-test, f-test, and coefficient determination. Okay, that is my presentation about my thesis. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.